Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fill up heavy oxygen tanks, or any oxygen tank for that matter. So what you're going to need in order to actually fill these guys up is an oxygen compressor and also an oxygen collector. So you'll notice that they have different colored lugs on the end. If I just break this here, this one's got a green lug. So green lugs are power and red lugs are oxygen. So you connect the red lugs of these two blocks here. This one is the oxygen compressor and this one is the oxygen collector. You can run this on batteries or you can run it on solar. So I have currently these two advanced solar panels, I think they're advanced solar panels, connected up, and these solar panels have batteries, which means they work at night and they can power the oxygen collector and also the oxygen compressor. So we've got one in here that's already been filled. If I just go and put this in my inventory, this actually goes in the slot here on your back. And once you put it on your back, you can actually see the little oxygen tanks. And once you've done this, you want to fill up as many as you can. So you just do this. You can make this on an industrial scale, but the heavy oxygen tanks take the longest to fill. If you hover over them with a mouse, you'll see oxygen remaining and then it will keep filling up. And it's quite a big tank. This is the heavy tank. You can get the light oxygen tank. This is the craft recipe for the heavy. I just go straight for the heavy, but you can get a light that just runs on copper. Copper is easier to obtain, but I really don't like running the risk of running out of oxygen. So I'd recommend just go straight for the heavy compressed ones. I've got a rocket over here. That's pretty much all you need to know. After this, at this point, you can stop the tutorial and stop watching, or because that's basically how you do it. But if you want to know how to craft the oxygen compressor and you want to know how to craft the oxygen collector, I'll just really quickly point it out. So the oxygen collector is just this. This is the recipe. You're going to need compressed steel, which is just 2 steel ingots, which comes from this. Or you can make a compressed iron with 2 coal on either side. That'll also do the trick. You're also going to need an oxygen fan. This is the crafting recipe in case you want to know. If you want to make a basic wafer, this is how you do it. You're going to need a circuit fabricator. If you want to make an oxygen concentrator, which is one of the necessary things, you're going to need these. This is crafted like this with tin ingots. And if we go through here, these are just the same with a compressor. You use a compressor and you put these through. If we go up to the oxygen collector here, oxygen vent is crafted like this, and both of these the ingots are pretty much crafted the same. If we go over the oxygen collector here, we have that's pretty much all you need to know in order to craft the oxygen collector. But there's also the oxygen not the bubble distributor. The oxygen bubble distributor makes a breathable ball of oxygen, but it costs oxygen, so you're gonna have to take a lot of tanks when you go up into space. Oxygen compressor is what you're going to need in order to fill the tank. So this is the thing that connects to the other thing. You're just going to make one of these oxygen concentrators using a tin canister, which looks like this. And also you're going to need an oxygen vent, which looks like this. Basically, it's pretty self-explanatory. I figured it all out just by trial and erroring. But you can do it in survival. It's possible. It just takes a lot of mining. So if you have construction mods, also I recommend the Tekkit mod pack. Avanon introduced it to me, and it has revolutionized my life. It's so much better. The Avanon, not the Avanon, the Tekkit mod pack. You can get a Tekkit launcher, and it'll give you the mod pack straight away. Super easy. Maybe Avanon will do a tutorial. If he doesn't, I will maybe do a tutorial. I might not also. Depends how popular this is. And that's pretty much all you need to know. Thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing. You're going to need power. So you'll notice these are, what are they called? They're called heavy aluminum wire. You can just use light aluminum wire or just aluminum wire. And for that, you're going to need rubber and aluminium. So if we just come over here, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need some aluminium and you're going to need some rubber, which is in this chest here. I'll just show you how to do it so that you can do it yourself here. You get the rubber, get the aluminium, and what we do is we go over to the crafting table here, and we just put a line of aluminium, and then we just get some rubber, and we just put that around the aluminium, and that will give us some aluminium wire, and we can get a ton of that. I'm just going to let all of that go to waste because we don't need that. And this aluminium wire can be made thicker. I'll just show you how to do that briefly as well. If we come back down to the crafting table in Avenon's base, I hope he doesn't mind me using this. We put the aluminium wire in here, and then we put the aluminium ingot here, and we put the rubber here, and it will give us a heavy aluminium wire. And this thing can carry a lot more power, and it's better. It's basically just better. And it's light also, which is why it works on spacecraft. So with this, we can run a bus cable of wires here. I'm not sure what the limit is for power transportation. But you can run a bus here, and you could set up another oxygen collector over here on the roof of my building. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can. And also solar panels are a great thing to make. I don't know if I've made a tutorial. I think I made a tutorial on these earlier. If you can just go back through the videos and find it. But that's pretty much all you need to know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and have an excellent day. Goodbye.